Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning performance measurement and KPI analysis. Measuring operational performance, KPIs. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are metrics used to evaluate the success of an organization in achieving its operational goals. These indicators are essential for monitoring performance, identifying areas for improvement, and ensuring alignment with strategic objectives. KPIs are typically divided into two categories. Types of KPIs. Lagging KPIs. These indicators measure the output of past activities. They show the results of decisions made in the past but don't provide real-time feedback on ongoing operations. For example, financial metrics like profit margins, sales revenue, and customer satisfaction scores are lagging indicators because they reflect the results of previous actions. Leading KPIs. These indicators provide foresight and help predict future performance. They are more proactive, offering insights that can guide future actions. For example, metrics like employee training hours, inventory turnover rates, and lead generation numbers are leading KPIs because they indicate factors that will influence future results. Common KPIs in operations. Cycle time, the time it takes to complete a process or produce a product. Throughput, the number of units produced or services delivered over a specific period. Inventory turnover, how often inventory is sold and replaced during a given period, indicating operational efficiency. Defect rate, the percentage of defective products produced, highlighting the quality of operations. Customer satisfaction, CSAT, a measure of how satisfied customers are with products or services, typically assessed via surveys. These KPIs help operations managers identify areas that need attention, measure progress, and evaluate the impact of changes made to improve operational performance. Balanced scorecard in operations. The Balanced Scorecard, BSC, is a strategic planning and management tool used to align business activities to the vision and strategy of the organization. The BSC incorporates 4 perspectives, providing a more holistic approach to measuring and managing performance. 4 perspectives of the Balanced Scorecard. Financial perspective. This measures financial performance, typically focusing on profitability, revenue growth, and cost management. Common KPIs under this perspective include return on investment, ROI, net profit margin, and revenue growth. Customer perspective. This evaluates how well the organization is serving its customers. KPIs here focus on customer satisfaction, retention, and market share. Examples include customer satisfaction scores, customer loyalty, and on-time delivery rates. Internal processes perspective. This focuses on the internal processes that drive the organization's performance. KPIs for internal processes assess operational efficiency, quality control, and innovation. Metrics could include production efficiency, order fulfillment times, and defect rates. Learning and growth perspective. This examines how well the organization is developing its workforce and infrastructure to meet future goals. KPIs for learning and growth include employee training hours, employee satisfaction, and innovation rates, e.g., new product development. Benefits of the Balanced Scorecard. Strategic alignment. By focusing on both financial and non-financial performance indicators, organizations ensure that their goals are aligned across departments. Improved decision-making. The Balanced Scorecard provides a comprehensive overview of organizational performance, helping management make data-driven decisions. Long-term success. It emphasizes the importance of a balanced approach to performance, ensuring that organizations do not focus solely on short-term financial outcomes but also on customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and workforce development. Benchmarking and performance improvement strategies. Benchmarking is the process of comparing an organization's performance against industry standards or best practices from other companies. It is a critical tool for identifying areas of improvement and setting realistic performance goals. Benchmarking can be conducted in several forms. Types of benchmarking. Internal benchmarking comparing performance across different departments or units within the same organization. Competitive benchmarking, comparing performance against direct competitors in the industry. Functional benchmarking, comparing specific business functions, such as supply chain management or customer service, with the best performers in that function, regardless of the industry. Generic benchmarking, comparing performance against leading companies in different industries that share similar processes or operations. Steps in benchmarking. Identify the key metrics. Identify the KPIs and operational processes that need improvement. Select benchmarking partners, choose relevant organizations, competitors or industry leaders to compare performance with. Analyze performance gaps, assess where performance differs from that of the benchmarked organizations. Develop action plans, create strategies to close performance gaps by adopting best practices or process improvements. Monitor progress, continuously track improvements and adjust strategies as needed. Performance improvement strategies. Process optimization, streamlining operations and eliminating inefficiencies to improve productivity and reduce waste. Methods like lean operations or Six Sigma can be employed to optimize processes. Employee training and development, investing in employee skills and competencies through regular training sessions to improve job performance. Technology integration, implementing advanced technology, such as AI, automation, or IoT. To improve operational efficiency, enhance data analysis, and support decision-making. Continuous improvement, encouraging a culture of ongoing improvement, where every employee is committed to making incremental changes to improve quality, efficiency, and service. How to conduct an operations audit. An operations audit is a comprehensive review of a company's operational processes, procedures, and performance. It aims to identify areas of inefficiency, non-compliance, and potential risk, as well as uncover opportunities for improvement. Steps in conducting an operations audit. Define the scope, clearly define the boundaries of the audit, including the areas and processes to be reviewed, e.g., supply chain management, production processes, or customer service. Collect data, gather quantitative and qualitative data about current operations, including performance metrics, employee feedback, and process documentation. Evaluate performance. Analyze the data to assess how well current processes align with organizational goals. Use KPIs and benchmarking to evaluate performance against industry standards. Identify issues, identify operational inefficiencies, gaps, or risks that are hindering performance. This could include process bottlenecks, outdated technology, or skills gaps within the workforce. Recommend solutions. Propose solutions to address identified issues, which could involve process re-engineering, adopting new technology, improving training programs, or enhancing communication channels. Implement changes. Work with relevant departments to implement the recommended changes, ensuring that the improvements are integrated into daily operations. Monitor progress. Regularly track the results of the changes and continue to evaluate operational performance using KPIs. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.